Morning. It's just a short video on how I do my laundry off grid. I think people overcomplicate it with machines and power and all that sort of thing. I just like to use a little elbow grease, a little muscle, get her done. Clothes go in. I also use this to do my dishes. Works fine. And then I throw the wastewater outside on a tree or something. I added a little laundry soap, not much, a little bit. Environmentally friendly, of course. And then you just get in there and work it over. Because let's face it, most clothes only have a little sweat, a little bit of dirt sometimes when I'm out in the garden, but for most part it's just a little bit of body sweat, right? Looky here. You can see how dirty that water is just from working it manually. So I work it over for a while, even individually if I think there's a tough spot. Wring her out. Boop. Into my laundry basket. Or my laundry tub. Pants can be a little tougher to wring out because they're thicker, right? Bigger. But I just put the legs together, start wringing. Oh yeah. And it's also another good exercise, right? Ta-da! Once you got stuff wringed out, then dump this water. I put the clothes back in, rinse water, go through it one more time, rinse the clothes, ready to put on the clothesline. Rinse cycle. And the key for me too is I do clothes like this a bit about every 2 or 3 days. That way I don't get too many clothes built up, right? And it's just makes it a lot easier and not so overwhelming. Okay, we'll get them wrung out, rinsed a bit more, wrung out, and onto the clothesline. You know what I saw the other day? I was on social media there. I don't try not to go on too much, but go on sometimes, see what the hell's going on in the world since I don't have TV or cable or anything like that. But they were saying, don't put your clothes on the clothesline anymore because with pollution in the air and chemtrails and shit, it's going to contaminate your clothes and then you put your clothes on. I mean, come on. We're getting that frickin' sensitive in this world? Especially when I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I'm not worried about it. I'm using the clothesline. Probably better off for you than a dryer and throwing chemicals in there to make it soft and fluffy. So that's how I do my laundry off grid. In half a day, it'll be nice and dry. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you remember people doing laundry like this. Maybe your parents, grandparents, or maybe yourself. Maybe you're off grid and you do it by hand. Right? I know ladies sometimes like to do their delicates by hand. But for me, hey man, it's all delicate. Have a good day. Don't forget to dream the dream from the Canadian Dreamer.